Hey, to connect iPhone with your Redmi Watch 4, first of all you have to be connected on your iPhone into the Wi-Fi or mobile data and simply open the App Store. From this you will have to actually click on the search and you have to get the Mi Fitness application. You can also pick something from this search. You can just pick this search recommendation. That's actually the full name of the application if you cannot find it. Mi Fitness Xiaomi Wear Lite. Now we'll have to click on this icon just right here and you just wait for the downloading process. So it will actually take for like in my case around 1 or 2 minutes because that's the old iPhone, but now we can actually move into our watch. So wait for the downloading. Now you will have to actually grab your watch and simply turn it on by clicking on this button. When you see Mi logo on the screen, just release this button. There we go. If it is not turned on, just repeat. Click and hold one more time. And now you can release when you have the Mi logo on the screen. Now we have to select the language. So in my case, I'm going to pick the English. And as you can see from this, we've got this information that we have to download this Mi Fitness application on our smartphone. So now just put your watch right here in front of you, close to your iPhone, and now on your iPhone you will have to actually go into the settings and be sure that you turn on the Bluetooth. So turn it on, and now as you can see we can already find the Redmi Watch 4, but we are not selecting Watch 4 from this list. We have to just wait until the application will be downloaded. So here it is, we have to open it. Now, if we have any request for the permissions or any notifications, we have to basically accept everything. You don't have to actually select this one to enroll in the user experience program. You can just click agree right here. From this, you have to select your country, your region. So in my case, it's the Poland. Click next. Go into the device tab. Click OK to grant Bluetooth permission. Then click to add device. And as you can see, we have to actually sign in into the Xiaomi account. So we have to click OK. And now, as you can see, we can input the Mi account ID, phone, email, or password. You can also sign in with the short messages. And also we can create account. So there's like few ways how we can actually enter for this pairing. In my case, I'm gonna just simply log in into the account. So let me just do this out of the camera. Okay, and when you sign in with your account, you will actually get some notifications. You have to actually allow everything for the location, for this another location permission, and now we can actually save your Xiaomi account to the keychain. In my case, I'm gonna select not now. We have to turn on synchronization. Now it is actually looking for our device. So just wait until the Redmi Watch 4 pops on the list. If for some reason it is not popping right here, you can simply click to scan the code or add model. Let's select and add the model. From here, select Redmi Watch 4 and now select Redmi Watch 4. Now as you can see, we have to move into the boot settings, so we have to click OK. Here we are. Now we have to wait until the Redmi Watch 4 pops on the list. We have to select this from the list. Now accept the pairing on the iPhone and on your watch. As you can see right now we are connected, so let's go back into the application. Let's select the watch one more time and accept the pairing request another time. On the both devices, accept all of these permissions. And now it looks like we are connected. So we have to click start on our watch. And from this we have to click done. Now as you can see, click done one more time. And now we can use our watch with our iPhone. Of course, we've got some quick tutorial, but we can click next a few times and we'll be able to get access into the application. There we go. And that's basically it. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.